Namaste. In my series of history of Indian scientists, today I will discuss about Maharishi Baudhayan. The Baudhayana Shrauta Sutra or Baudhayana Shrautasūtram is a late Vedic text dealing with the rituals of the Taittiriya Shakha school of the Black Yajurveda. Baudhayan, the traditional author of the sutra, originally belonged to the Kanva school of the White Yajurveda. He shifted from this tradition to that of the Taittiriya school. Baudhayan is quoted many times in the text as speaking. The work thus is clearly the work of his students and his school, the Baudhayans. The text is important as it is one of the earliest Srautasutras. Nothing is known of him except that he was the author of one of the earliest Sulbasutras. He would certainly have been a man of very considerable learning. Undoubtedly, he wrote the Sulbasutra to provide rules for religious rites. The mathematics given in the Sulbasutras is there to enable the accurate construction of altars needed for sacrifices. The Baudhayan Sutras consist of 6 texts. The Sulbasutra in 3 adhyayas, the Dvaita Sutra in 4 prashnas, the Dharma Sutra in 4 prashnas, the Shrauta Sutra probably in 19 prashnas, the Griha Sutra in 4 prashnas. Prashnas here means questions. And the Karmanta Sutra in 20 adhyayas. Adhyayas are chapters. The Baudhayan Sulbasutra contains several early mathematical results. He has done research on circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. He discovered pi to some degree of precision. When constructing circular shapes, Baudhayan uses different approximations of pi. Baudhayan even tried to find a circle whose area is the same as that of a square, and he has said, draw half its diagonal about the center towards the east-west line, then describe a circle together with the third part of that which lies outside the square. Baudhayan discovered Pythagoras Theorem much before Pythagoras was born. A shloka from the Sulbasutra is proof that he had the concept of Pythagoras Theorem in his mind even before the Pythagoras was born. Dirgha chatur shrashya akshanya rajuhu parshvamani tiryag mani chayat prathag bhute kurutast ubhyam karoti. It means a rope stretched along the length of the diagonal produces an area which the vertical and horizontal sides make together. He judged the square root of 2 to 5 decimal places of accuracy. The Sanskrit text gives in words what we would write in symbols like this, which is to 9 places and is correct to 5 decimal places. The error is of the order of 0.002 only. The Dharma Sutra of Baudhayan, like that of Apastambh, also forms a part of the larger Kalpa Sutra. Likewise, it is composed of prashnas, which literally means questions or books. The structure of this Dharma Sutra is not very clear because it came down in an incomplete manner. Moreover, the text has undergone alterations in the form of additions and explanations over a period of time. This Dharma Sutra is divided into 4 books. The first book is primarily devoted to the student and deals in topics related to studentship. It also refers to social classes, the role of the king, marriage, and suspension of Vedic recitation. Book 2 refers to penances, inheritance, women, householder, orders of life, ancestral offerings. Book 3 refers to holy householders, forest hermit, and penances. Book 4 primarily refers to the yogic practices and penances along with offences regarding marriage. It is clear from the writing that Baudhayan, as well as being a priest, must have been a skilled craftsman also. If you want to know more about other ancient Indian scientists, please check the playlist Ancient Indian Scientists. And if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.